first to be remodeled is our powder room. So it was this awful yellow green color. That's the last remnants of it. Oh, there's the last remnants of it too. So my husband ripped everything out except for the tile in the toilet, painted everything white, and the guys, the company comes next week. We're doing slate floors. There's a vanity for $1,700 that I would love to have from Pottery Barn. That's like a rustic wood, but that's a no-go. Hi, Seeds. So I think we might just do a cheap light gray cabinet, keep everything white, black accessories, which I'm having trouble finding, matte black or black accessories, and eventually do some shelves up here with some color and tchotchkes, and everything's like matte black. We did have the slate tile professionally installed, but besides that, my husband did everything in our new powder room, and there were many trips to Home Depot. I became so obsessed with this vanity from Pottery Barn. Back in August, I think it was like $1,600 or $1,700, so it's gone up in price. I was gonna originally do a $150 gray vanity from Home Depot, but they ran out of them. Somehow, I just knew that this vanity would end up in our bathroom, and I did a check at our local Pottery Barn outlet. It was a success. We got the vanity for $250. And she's enjoying her little bottle. And they had it on for a great sale. It was $250. It did not come with the sink. We had to find a sink on our own, and we ended up finding one that was more modern rather than farmhousey. And I have a very handy husband, so it all worked out. I think it was like $500 for the sink. So in the end, we ended up saving like $1,000. About a year ago, we had the hollow core doors replaced with these doors, and then as you can see, there's a motion censored light. So as you walk in, the light comes on. It's so incredible. I had no idea my husband was going to do that, and I love it. So there's that beautiful vanity, and there's the bathroom. It's very simple, clean lines, modern, and I absolutely love it. It's got the slate floor, the sink I've always wanted, and then we put in these shelves, which are from Amazon. Here's that vanity with another view, and the matte black hardware. That is a very simple round mirror from Target, and that hand towel is actually from Target as well. And the matte black hardware to match the slate, and matte black lighting up there as well. That's the censored. It goes off after a minute, but you can change it, and for the fan. And I love it. The guys did a great job on the slate. My husband did an amazing job on the powder room. I am so happy with it. I'm trying to find something to put over that toilet, maybe like scroll work or something, or maybe something with another pop of color. The matte black is actually showing stains from the water, so I need to find something to get rid of the stains. And that cute little succulents from Trader Joe's. The larger succulent is also from Trader Joe's, the matte black containers from Target. And about 2 or 3 years ago, I did that coral painting, and I just wanted something in there to bring a pop of color. Last, the paint color on the trim and the walls is Benjamin Moore Simply White. I will link everything I can below. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. I can share some more before and afters in our house. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.